In this video, we are going to be focusing on arginine. When we said arginine, it has the chemical formula of 6 carbon, 14 hydrogen, 4 nitrogen, and 2 oxygen. Arginine, this is one of the 20-stranded amino acid which is commonly found in the protein. Let's break down the chemical structure of arginine using solid, dashed, and wedge line. The chemical structure of arginine consists of central carbon, that is the central carbon, bounded to amino acid, a carboxyl group, hydrogen atom, and guanidino group, and 2-methyl. First of all, let's explain the guanidino group. Guanidino group is what we have 1 carbon double bonded to nitrogen and hydrogen. In this case, we're going to have the amino group here, which is H2N, and at this point, we're going to have N connected with what? Nitrogen connected with hydrogen. So let's see how we can draw the structure of arginine. In this case, let's assume that the green dot which I'm writing here represent the numbers of carbon. Since we said the chemical formula is C6H14, 4 nitrogen, and 2 oxygen. In this case, we're going to have 6 carbon, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Right? So, and at this point, we're going to have, next thing we have on the list, let's use the white dot to represent the numbers of hydrogen. It's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 multiplied by 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, which is the numbers of hydrogen. 6 by 2, that's 12, 13, and we're going to have 14. Okay, starting with the first one. We said it has a central carbon. Let's put the central carbon here. It has a central carbon. And at the end of it, we're going to have the guanidino group. Let's draw the guanidino group separately. Here we're going to have another carbon in the guanidino group. So if the carbon is 6, we're going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Putting the central carbon, we have eliminated 1 carbon here. So next thing we need to write here is the guanidino group. The guanidino group also, it has what? It has 1 carbon. In this case, we're going to put N here connected with hydrogen. Remember, this is what I drew to be our guanidino group. Here we're going to have carbon, which is double bonded to nitrogen and hydrogen. In this case, the guanidino group we have NH2, 2. Here we're going to have H2N. So the next thing we need to write, we're done with the side of guanidino group. The next thing we need to write is the carboxyl group, the hydrogen atoms, and the 2 amino, or the amino acid, and initially we have already wrote the central carbon. Okay, by this side, let's draw the carboxyl group. So here we have, we're going to have, remember carboxyl group is always double bonded. We're going to have double bond of this is the carboxyl group, COOH. So we have 1 carbon, which is the central carbon here also. We'll have 1 hydrogen, 2 oxygen and 1 hydrogen. Next thing we have on the list is the amino. So in this case, we're going to have amino is going to be, we're going to have 1 carbon here also. We're going to have nitrogen. Amino is NH2. This is simply going to be 1 nitrogen saturated with 2 hydrogen. So the numbers of carbon, we have 1, 2, 1, 2 have been eliminated. We're going to have 3 here, 3. This is going to be 4, 5, and the last one here we have the 6th one. So this is it for this problem. Thank you for watching, and I hope you find this video helpful.